I had some kid, he flushed a sock or something, or a towel, a small towel, down into one of these units. It plugged up and it flooded 7 units. And we're talking feces coming out of the toilets into the carpet. And it really screwed the whole place up. And it cost me about $20,000 that week. And then it happened again, not quite as bad, about 3 weeks later. I've owned 3 apartment buildings, and I made millions of dollars on these, so I'm never going to be down on apartment buildings. But like, I'll show you these 3 apartment buildings I own. I don't own them anymore. I don't actually enjoy, you know, it's like slightly better than owning a hotel. Here's a 13 unit right there. I bought that for $130,000. I sold it for $650. I bought this place here for $400,000, sold it for $590. I bought this building, 21 units, over 20,000 square feet. We had a laundry room and different. I made money off the laundromat that was within this building too. But so you got these 3 buildings. This one I bought for $210, 21 units, $210,000, and I sold it for, you know, like about almost $1.1 million, I think, or maybe $1.2 million. So I made it almost a couple million between these 3 buildings. But those are apartments. Now, the problem with these apartments are, I can tell you, I had some kid, oh man, he flushed a sock or something, or a towel, a small towel, down into one of these units. It plugged up and it flooded 7 units. And we're talking feces coming out of the toilets into the carpets, and it really screwed the whole place up. And it cost me about $20,000 that week. And then it happened again, not quite as bad, about 3 weeks later. So, you know, the problem with apartments, and this is really the quickest, cleanest, easiest way to explain it to you. This is 20,000 square feet, right? 20,000 square feet, and it has 20 bathrooms, right? It has 2-bedroom, 1-bath units in it, but they're all 900 square feet. And it's got basically 20,000 square feet of carpet, right? Now, let's compare that with, I'll show you another building, okay? I'll show you a couple buildings. So now here's a building that I own that's also 20,000 square feet, right? This would be like a commercial industrial building that you see right here. Yeah, I would take this any day over those apartments. When people, I'm not responsible for any of the carpet inside. I don't have 20 toilets. I have like 4 toilets in that whole building, right? 2 major bathrooms that everybody uses, maybe 5 toilets, I don't know. It's just a much cleaner, easier, low maintenance kind of deal to have a commercial or industrial building. And a lot of people think they know real estate until they get in my class and they realize, shit, I know a little bit about real estate, but I guess I really didn't know much about being a good investor, and that's the difference. And so once you're in and you get through, you know, many of the lessons, then you'll start seeing things through my eyes, the way I see it, and you'll start seeing opportunities where you never saw them before. And that's what I see happening with all my students, right? And believe me, every day I get texts from students, hey, look at this, or hey, let me show you what I just got. Hey, I just sold this, and you know what I mean? I can't even hardly keep up with it. And, you know, people have done so well, and so many. And I'm going to actually calculate. I think right now the average, if I average it, average student makes $60,000, right? And the class costs just a fraction of that. Doesn't mean everybody made that. It means some people made millions. Some people made hundreds of thousands. Some people made tens of thousands. And some people haven't made anything yet, but they will. They will. Fill this out. Just go hit the apply for mentorship. Don't be shy, and we'll have a quick call. And you know what I mean? Because then you can kind of share maybe a little bit more about your financial situation, where you live. I'll give you free advice. But anyways, thanks everybody for hanging out. Again, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Always helps when you comment underneath, and we'll see you maybe tomorrow. Bye. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.